What's FOB price? Price of the goods plus profit, FOB. Now, you can't quote CFR or CIF because you don't know the destination. You don't know which country is going. The country that the good is going will determine the freight charge, and that will determine the CFR, cost and freight, because that. Good day, my name is Dela Imiban. I'm your export doctor. Welcome to DBA TV, where we discuss everything about international trade. If you have been to this particular YouTube channel before, I believe you'll have learned a lot about international trade, import and export. Today, I'll be talking about another document you need. Another document that your business needs, which if you do not have, can hinder you from getting buyers abroad. Another document that your business needs, which if you don't have, can hinder you from getting buyers abroad. What is this document? The document is called a full corporate offer. A full corporate offer. As the promotional activity begins to yield results, as a result of the potential buyer that are being directed to your website, where they drop their detail in order to get more information from you. It is important that what they are downloading from your website, or even your first email to them, has your full corporate offer. So what is the full corporate offer? It's called FCO. It's just a document that provides a summary of what you are offering, not just in price, among other terms and conditions to this particular buyer. Not just in price, among other terms and conditions to this particular buyer. So what are the things that should be on that full corporate offer? Number one, it should be on your letterhead. A very nice graphics will be fine. Design of the corporate offer, but at least you be on letterhead at the minimum. It should have the name and address of the seller. It should have the description of goods you want to export. It should have the specification, particularly for commodities. If I'm exporting cashew nut, raw cashew nut, description of goods. Specification, moisture, maximum of 10%. Nut count, 180 per kg. Outturn, 45. All those specifications. If it's finished good, let's say it's a black soap, what is the color? What is the shape? What is the dimension? I mean, quality specification. Then, payment terms and payment method. The difference between payment term and payment method is this. Payment terms talks about how payment will be made. When payment will be made. Before shipment, after shipment. Initial payment, final payment. How payment will be made. But payment method talk about the exchange of document for money. Exchange of document for money. Is it going to be open account, in which document go first and money come after? Or advance payment, in which money come first and document go after? Or bill for collection, in which document is routed through the bank and the bank become a channel for transmission of document and collection of payment? Or is going to be letter of credit, which is an undertaking of the buyer's bank, given to the seller, which give assurance of payment when shipment is made and documents are presented that conform to the terms and conditions of a letter of credit. Letter of credit is an undertaking of the buyer's bank, given to the seller, which give assurance of payment when shipment is made and documents are presented that conform to the terms and conditions of letter of credit. Or, again, open account, bill for collection, letter of credit, advance payment. Those are payment methods. Then payment terms. I pay you in advance, you come after, I pay 30%, I pay balance after. Those are payment terms. Then, remember, I've talked about name and address of the exporter, of the seller, the description of goods, the specification, the payment terms, the payment method, the price. At this point, the kind of price you can quote is called FOB price, fill of bill price. is called FOB price, free on board price. The FOB price, free on board price, is the price you can quote at this time. What's FOB price? Price of the goods plus profit, FOB. Now, you can't quote CFR or CIF because you don't know the destination. You don't know which country is going. The country that the good is going will determine the freight charge, and that will determine the CFR, cost and freight, because that will include FOB price plus the freight cost to destination. FOB price plus the freight cost to destination. Or CIF, FOB price plus the freight cost plus insurance to destination. I'm basically saying that FOB price is the price you should be quoting on your full corporate offer, because that basically talks about the price of the goods plus profit. When you now know, when someone is requesting and say, oh, your price FOB, can you give me your CFR price? Then you ask, to which country? And then it will tell you to Germany, Hamburg port in Germany, or Shanghai port in China. Then you can then indicate. You can then indicate at that particular point in time, you can then indicate the CFR or CIF. Then say the packaging, the place of shipment or the port of loading, the pre-shipment inspection agent, the agent to do the inspection before shipment, the shipment period, how long will it take you to ship, and the contract duration. How long do you want the contract to be for? This mail is the first mail you are sending. It must be sent on your domain name. And I would recommend, if you are in a developing country, get a representative abroad to send that mail on your behalf and have an email signature that shows the company name, the phone number, the address in a European American company. For obvious reasons. For obvious reasons. A rep at destination saves you the headache of having to prove that you are not a fraudster. Because now they have a rep at destination they can talk to, they are comfortable, they can trace if an issue come up on that transaction. Has this particular video been of help to you? Share with your friends. If you like it, give us a thumbs up. You want to know when we upload a new video, then click on the notification bell. You have a question for me? Drop it in the comment. You want to be part of our community? Subscribe to this channel. My name is Dela Yemibo, and I'm your expert doctor, and I'm signing out.